Welcome to DXtrade, the cutting-edge multi-asset trading platform built for retail and professional traders, offering advanced charting, lightning-fast execution, and a sleek, intuitive interface. In this video, we will take a look at charting on DXtrade. As we saw in previous videos, the home workspace consists of fixed widgets, including one chart space. If we move to any other workspace, we can create a full-screen chart by deleting other widgets. Or create a new workspace and simply add a chart by clicking here. Click on the symbol field to change the chart symbol by searching for your desired instrument. You may easily add and configure an indicator from the indicator settings icon, and we will have a separate video on indicators. Separate panels, displaying oscillators for example, can be resized and moved from top to bottom. Each chart has a legend, and this can be expanded or diminished by clicking the small arrow. To modify the parameters of the legend, right-click and select Settings, Legend, and you may view or hide the instrument name, open high-low close values, the volume value, and the aggregation period or time frame. Right-click again and you have access to control over the crosshairs and the watermark of each chart, and you may show or hide the grid lines. Click on Settings and you have a full array of controls under General, where you may hide and show a variety of elements, and a variety of snapping options for the crosshairs. Highs or lows, for example. If you want free-flowing crosshairs, select None. Under Trading, you may elect to display trading from a chart, and we will go into more details in another video. Also, you may want to show active orders or show open positions. Under Scales, you may select Auto Scale Price Axis, where your price action display will also allow space for indicators, positions, and orders. You may invert the scale and lock scale, and this will zoom in and zoom out based on the price range desired. Unlocking the scale simply compresses the chart as usual. You may change the price scale to percentage change or logarithmic. You may move the price scale to the left or to the right. Under Labels and Lines, you may show and hide a wide variety of information displaying the symbol, the bid and ask price, the high and low, the previous day close, the pre- and post-market close, and indicators. You may also hide and show the descriptions and the countdown to the current bar close. Under Data, you may display price action aligned with session start. Volume display may be turned off or displayed in a separate panel window. Under Colors, you may update the color of a wide variety of charting elements. And paddings will adjust the top margin, right margin, and bottom margin. And in many cases, you may reset to default. You may configure the chart aggregation period or time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. You also have the option of viewing charts over a 1-day period, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all time. A wide variety of price action display is available, such as candles, bars, line, area, Heikin-Ashi, scatter, hollow candles, histogram, and baseline. Multi-chart options are available, and a wide variety of configuration options are available, such as common instrument, common indicators, and crosshairs. As a sample setup, you may view and change common symbols displaying multiple time frames. Individual charts can be maximized or minimized. Workspaces may be detached for use on multiple monitors and reattached here. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this DXtrade video series and your new exciting trading journey.